Impact drivers take all the effort out of driving larger screws or bolts. An impact mechanism stores energy and unleashes it in sudden blows, providing intense twisting force. This Ryobi ONE+ cordless impact driver is ideal for driving and loosening screws, as well as large bolts into wood. It has a powerful motor that delivers 220 Nm of torque. That's 4 times the power of a drill, enough power to drive wheel nuts. This impact driver has 3 power levels, which allow you to adjust the speed and torque to match your applications. Speed 1 for light work such as fitting door hinges or flat pad furniture. Speed 2 for precision and control, great for driving mid-size screws into wood. And Speed 3 for unleashing the full power of the tool, giving you the power to drive large screws with ease. Every time the trigger is pulled, a bright tri-LED beam activates to light up your work area and eliminate shadows. The magnetic tray can hold bits and metal accessories for your convenience while working on projects. And with a 2.5 amp-hour Lithium Plus battery, you can drive up to 260 4x64mm screws per charge. This impact driver is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless impact driver will work with any ONE+ battery.